Hello everyone and welcome back. As you were brainstorming, what ways did you think of interpreting lots of different data points using just one number? A few of the ones we thought about were perhaps using the range, which is the difference between the smallest and the biggest number. We could use the median, which is the middle number, or we could use the mode, which is the most common number. But we were thinking that for this specific problem, we would want to use the mean, or the average, which is calculated by adding all of the readings and then dividing them by the total number of readings. Thankfully, Sage Modeler makes that very easy for us. So to do that, we click on our graph, we go to the ruler, it'll give you a lot of different options: count, percent, show measure labels, mean, median, standard deviation, mean absolute deviation, and box plot. What we'll be looking for, like we mentioned before, is the mean. Once we select the mean, Sage Modeler calculates this and shows us the mean as we hover over it. Now that we have a mean, if we were displaying this graph to anyone else, we would want them to understand what they're looking at. So to do that, we have to change our title to be more descriptive. To change the title, we double click on the current title, which is cases, and then it should let us edit it. We'll be calling this average decomposition rate. That way, this graph is a lot more descriptive than it was before. Now anyone looking at it knows that they're looking at a graph of the average decomposition rate between these three plant types. Now that I have shown you how to do this, I want you to go through and make your own graph for the next two questions, which are the restoration effect on decomposition and soil moisture.